Hello and assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to program the HMI Weintek HMI. You can see that here this is a Weintek human machine interface HMI. Model is MT8071I171IP2. So this is the HMI we use for our application. So let's open the box of the HMI. This is the 7-inch HMI and the resolution is 800 by 480. So you have seen that this is the HMI front side, screen side, and this is the back side of the HMI. So here you can see that there is a COM port with 9-pin connector, male, and USB and Ethernet. So we are used for the communication with the PLC, we use the COM port, and to program the HMI we use the USB port. This connector is the supply connector for the HMI, and it is necessary to connect the correct polarity with the HMI +24 on the right side and ground on the middle. So please take care before connecting the power to the HMI, otherwise it will get damaged. You have seen that +24 volt is now connected to the HMI. Be careful while connecting the power supply to the HMI. The reverse polarity may damage the HMI supply. Now it's time to power on the HMI. You have seen that HMI started. So you have seen that the HMI started and it is showing its demo screen. From the demo screen you can look on the application, Modbus mode, IP settings, etc. When I click to the application, it shows some buttons here and some user operator manual. So this is for example only. So you have seen that there are some gauges, bar graph, and there is a meter. So now I am going to program the HMI with my own program. Now here I am using my USB to put it into the PC and put the program in the USB. USB has been connected. So this is the directory where my program is, EMTP file extension. So now open the program. So now you can see that there is some loading. Now you can see that the program is open. So this is my main screen window and this is my project which I am going to program. In my later videos, inshallah, I will show you how to program the HMI, how to write the program for the HMI. But now I am going to run the program in the USB. So I go to project, and from project, build download files. And now it is compiling, and then it is going to write it into the USB. It has been successfully write into the USB. Now safely remove your USB. So I have removed my USB. So now I am connecting my USB to the HMI. So now I am connecting the USB into the HMI. Now the USB has been connected and it shows the pop-up window for download and upload. Now here I am first setting the parameters and passwords for my HMI. So please note that the default password for the HMI is 6x1. So enter the password. So it is some error. Again enter the password. So now you have seen that the setting is now open. And then I can set the parameters. So we are not using here the IP. So I click here next. Adjust the time according to local time. And click apply. And then click next. Local password. The local password I have choose. I am going to enter the local password. So you have seen that the password is entered. And now click OK. And also enter your upload and download password. So now I am entering the download password. So the password is entered. Now click OK. Click apply and then click OK. Now it is time to again detach and attach the USB. Now again I attach the USB and now the prompt is coming for download, and it is now enter the password. The password is entered and you have seen that the option is on the screen. Click on the USB disk 1A and then click on the demo. Demo is the default name. You can name whether what you want. So click OK. Now HMI is start the programming. Downloading project files from the USB. Now you have seen that the HMI is programmed and my program is now running on the HMI. So the HMI programming is completed. The PLC is not connected, so it shows the PLC no response. In my next video I will show you how to connect the HMI with the PLC.